Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to reset SSH key in VPS in Oracle Cloud. For this, we use Bastion in Oracle Cloud. Bastions let authorized users connect from specific IP addresses to target resources using secure shell (SSH) sessions. When connected, users can interact with the target resource by using any software or protocol supported by SSH. Targets can include resources like compute instances, DB systems, and autonomous database for transaction processing and mixed workloads databases. Bastion is free service. You can use this method to reset SSH key if you lost SSH private key in your VPS. Let's see what things we are going to do in this video. Enabling Bastion plugin in Oracle Cloud Agent in Oracle Cloud Instance. Creating Bastion session. Connecting to Bastion session. Installing OpenSSH client in Windows. Changing SSH public key in VPS. Disabling Bastion plugin in Oracle Cloud Agent and deleting Bastion session. First you need to download text file. This text file contains things needs to use in this video. You can find download link of text file in description. After you click on the download text file of script link, you can see page like this. Click on link in the page. Now scroll down and you can see download text file topic. As say in here, click on subscribe YouTube channel button and subscribe YouTube channel and come back here to downloads text file. So, let's do it. Click on subscribe YouTube channel button. Now, you are going to my YouTube channel. Now subscribe my YouTube channel. If you didn't already subscribe it, you can't download text file if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel. I don't do anything because I already subscribed. So, let's go back to that page. As say here, we can see text file button after some time because I subscribed YouTube channel. But if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, you can't see text file button. So, let's wait some time. Now you can see text file button. Click on it. Now you are going to Mediafire website. Click on download button. Text file is being downloaded now. So, let's start our video. Enabling Bastion plugin in Oracle Cloud Agent in Oracle Cloud Instance. Go to your Oracle Cloud Instance. Click on Oracle Cloud Agent tab. It takes some time to load plugin menu. Now enable Bastion plugin. It takes some time to be enabled plugin. Reload web page. Now you can see Bastion plugin is running. Okay. Let's go to next step. Creating Bastion session. Now we are going to create Bastion session. For it, we need name of instance, name of VCN that connected with instance and name of subnet that connected with instance. You can see name of instance here. Let's find VCN and subnet. Click on Instance Information tab. Click on Subnet. This is name of subnet. This is name of VCN. Click on search bar. Type Bastion in search bar. Click on Bastion in services. Click on Create Bastion button. Click on Select a virtual cloud network. Choose name of VCN that you remembered before. Now click on Select a subnet. Now choose name of subnet that you remembered before. Tick on in Enable FQDN support and SOX 5. Type 0.0.0.00 in CIDR block allow list. Click on drop-down menu. Click on Create Bastion button. Wait few minutes. Now click on Created Bastion. Now we need to create Bastion session. Click on Create Session button. Session type is Managed SSH session. You need to type SSH username here. So type Ubuntu. Now you need to choose your instance. Click on Select an instance. Click on name of instance that you remembered before. Now we need to add SSH key. Click on Generate SSH key pair. Now click on Save Private Key button. Click on Download. Click on Create Session button. Wait few minutes. Now you can see it is active. Click on three dots. Click on Copy SSH command. Go to Notepad. Paste copied command. Now you need to replace private key text from name of downloaded file. So I type key.txt. Let's go to next step. Connecting to Bastion session. For connecting to Bastion session, you need to run this command in a OpenSSH client installed device. OpenSSH client is pre-installed in most Linux OS like Ubuntu and Debian. In Windows, you can install it using these steps. Installing OpenSSH client in Windows. Click on Start menu. Click on gear icon to go to Settings. Click on Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Click on Optional Features. If OpenSSH client is already installed, you can see it here. If OpenSSH client is not installed, you can install it using this method. Click on Add a Feature button. Type SSH in search bar. Now choose OpenSSH client. Click on Install button. Now wait few minutes. OpenSSH client is installed now. Now you need to go to directory that contains key.txt file to run command. You can run this command in Bash shell in Linux. You can see key.txt file. In Windows, you need to run command in command prompt. You can open command prompt in directory that contains key.txt file using this method. Type cmd in address bar. Press enter. Now you can see command prompt. Now we can run command. Copy full command in Notepad. Paste copied command and press enter. Type yes and press enter. Type yes and press enter. Now you are in your VPS. Next we are going to change SSH public key in your VPS. Changing SSH public key in VPS. Open instructions.txt file using your text editor. Copy root access command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Go to instructions.txt file. Copy editing SSH public key command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. We need to generate a new SSH public and private key pair. There are a lot of ways to do it. I will show you the easiest way. Go to Create Compute Instance page in your Oracle Cloud account. Click on Save Private Key and Save Public Key. Now you have new SSH private and public key pair. Now let's add this. You'd open a file previously downloaded that name contains key.pub using your text editor. Copy all texts in that file and go back to your VPS. Paste copied texts and press Ctrl+X. Now type Y and press Enter. Go to instructions.txt file. Copy rebooting VPS command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press Enter. Now your VPS is being rebooted. It takes few seconds. After that, you can log into your VPS using new SSH private key. Now let's disable Bastion plugin in Oracle Cloud Agent and delete Bastion session because our work is done. Disabling Bastion plugin in Oracle Cloud Agent and deleting Bastion session. Click on Delete Bastion button. Copy this text. Paste copied text and click on Delete button. Now Bastion session will be deleted. Click on Disable in Bastion. Everything is completed. Put comment on video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Like and share my videos.